Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Today I want to discuss about the alkene chapter, CET NEET JEE main purpose. So I given here few questions based on that all concept I have to cover. Now these are the compound 1, 2, 3, 4. Which of the following correct decreasing order of dehydrobromination on treatment with the sodium ethoxide? What do you call this? Is sodium ethoxide in alcohol, ethyl alcohol. This ET mean what is it? Ethyl, OH alcohol. So if like this given, that is RO minus, here in anyone sodium or potassium, this is metal, NaRK in their respect to alcohol. Here R is there ROH, here methyl is there methyl alcohol, ethyl is there ethyl alcohol, like this solvent required. Okay, so this is base. RO minus is which one? Base. RO minus is a base. So in base this will be undergo elimination reaction. Elimination means some part of the molecule that will be eliminated. So here which is eliminated? D mean what is that? To remove. Hydrogen and bromine are removed. When two atoms are removed, mean one pi bond form. So here what is the product form they are not asking, but which is easily eliminated. Therefore here word given decreasing order of rate of dehydrobromination. Decreasing order mean first one is greater, second one is less, last one is very less. Okay, like this mean all are decreasing order is there. In that correct order is which one? So now this is which type of dehydrobromination? This is E2 elimination. E2 elimination mean whatever the hydrogen and bromine is there, they should be opposite required. Keep in mind in E2 elimination always two living groups, whatever the living group is here, bromine, hydrogen, beta hydrogen should be opposite required. One is front is there mean another back required. One is down is there mean another up required. Otherwise like this. Totally they are in opposite direction is there. That is called E2 elimination. Now bromine and hydrogen, which side is there? Same. Bromine and hydrogen, same side. That's why this is not falsely dehydrobromination. Which is falsely dehydrobromination? Opposite. Hydrogen bromine should be opposite required. Now here bromine hydrogen opposite is here. This is functional group type consider, mean this is which one? Alpha. This is which one? Beta. This is also beta. Next carbon is beta. So any one of the hydrogen is opposite is their beta position, then that will be falsely dehydrobromination takes place. That is called E2 elimination takes place. Here is there. Here bromine hydrogen same side is there. Which one? This is don't consider this opposite. This is which one? Alpha is there. We want beta hydrogen should be opposite. Then here bromine and deuterium. In place of hydrogen what is there? Deuterium. Deuterium also easily it can like deprotonation mean deuteration takes place. So these are also opposite is there. But D bond easily break or H bond easily break. In the last class somewhere we discussed H bond. So which is first easily dehydrobromination takes place? Second. In this where second is that? Check. 1 not, 2 okay, C2 okay, here 3. It means A and D options are not answered. Clear? After the 2, next which one is? Fourth. Then fourth where it is? Here only. Therefore no need to go next also, no need to check. B option. Clear? Now H2SO4 heat. Here also dehydration takes place. Here this is a water molecule mean here OH. This functional group mean this is which one? Alpha. Next carbon is which one? Beta. Next carbon is which one? Beta. So how many beta hydrogens are present? 2. When more than one beta hydrogen is present, that time we have to follow Sedgwick rule. You may be seen or not in video lecture. So Sedgwick rule you have to follow. Sedgwick rule means what is that? The formed alkene should be more substituted alkene, that is a major. But sometime conjugated also major. That already in offline classes only you know that. So now this is functional group. Next is which one? Beta hydrogen. If beta hydrogen and OH lost, then here double bond. Two groups are eliminated in one pi bond form. So if here beta hydrogen eliminate, here double bond form. Here beta hydrogen eliminate, here double bond form. So which side double bond is a major product? That is, we have to find out. Major product only we want, not all. So if you lost hydrogen from this direction, then CH3, CH3 and 1. Total how many substituents are there? 3. If loss here, then double bond form here, then this total one group, this total one group. How many substituents are there? 2. Then you know that according to Sergeant rule, more substituted alkene is a major. Then what you will answer? This side double bond is a major. But already you should know that compare with the more substituted alkene, the conjugated alkene is a major product. That also you have to check in your notebook. Conjugated alkene always major because resonance stabilization will be there. So now double bond, single bond. If beta hydrogen loss double bond here form. So double bond, single bond, double bond mean what is that? Conjugation. Conjugation mean alternate double bonds. So conjugation present this side, here no conjugation because double bond, double bond. So that is not conjugation. So which is major? This beta hydrogen loss major product, this beta hydrogen loss major product, up. So which option that is correct? Now this is there. Double bond, double bond is there. Conjugation is there. Double bond, double bond is there. Conjugation is there. Then if this hydrogen loss, then which is a major product? This one. So anyway D option is not. There is no. Then in these 3 options, this we can eliminate because this more substituted, these are conjugated. So more substitute is not major when conjugation is present. So this is eliminated. Now both are conjugated. Which is major? Cis or trans. This is both hydrogens are same side. Cis form. These are trans. Trans major or cis is major? Trans. Because trans is more stable. So this is, see how the question they are framing, that is very, very, very important. Okay. So next one. Which of the following reagent or reagents will be effective in carrying out this conversion? Here in this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons are there. In this line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons are there. Which bond here? Triple bond is there. Which bond here? Triple bond. Triple bond current to which one? Double bond. Got the point? Then triple bond current to double bond, when it is possible, 2 things. One is Lindlar's catalyst, another is sodium in liquid ammonia. This is which one? H2Ni. It means nickel, platinum, palladium. That is called Sabatier-Senderen's reaction. We cannot control this reaction because it undergo up to alkane. Alkyne to alkane. But here alkyne to which is there? Alkane. So this is not the answer. Because if it is there, it form the triple bond to single bond. But which bond is there here? Double bond. So this is not the answer. Next, this is called Lindlar's catalyst. Is there in your notebook? Lindlar catalyst is there. It gives a cis product. Sodium in liquid ammonia is there. That gives a trans product. Okay, in offline only this is discussed actually. So now both are there. Both gives the alkyne to alkene, but this gives cis. This will give trans. Then which is correct? This is which product is cis or trans? This is cis. So answer which one? B. This cis only because here nothing is there when you have hydrogen, carbon valency 4. Okay. So that is cis product. So if you want then write here cis product this is. And one more thing. Here double bond is there. Double bond is not affected here with this both because it controlled reaction. This is, it is hydrogen palladium is there up to alkane. It is palladium is poisoned with which one? Calcium carbonate. It means its activity reduced. When activity reduced, triple bond to double bond only. Double bond to single bond not formed. But if it is there up to single bond formed. Therefore, this double bond not affected, this double bond not affected. Got the point? But if it is there, this is also affected, this is also affected, this is also affected. But remain same is that this double bond, O and double bond. So answer is B. Again it will come in the second year also, same concept. Next. Already I told you that RO minus is there, mean what do you call that is? Base. Which is there here? R, CH3. CH3, O minus, that is a base. If it is there, alcohol they not wrote here, actually that is also alcohol required, CH3OH alcohol required, but also you have to consider that alcohol is present. Which mechanism this is? E2. E2 mean compulsory leaving group and beta hydrogen opposite required. Then only this E2 reaction takes place, otherwise no. Keep in mind, now onwards in your mind should be fixed. E2 mean what is that? Compulsory beta hydrogen leaving group should be opposite required. Okay, here leaving group is bromine. Leaving group is bromine. Halogens are generally leaving group, keep in mind. Halogens are good leaving group. So this is leaving group. Next carbon, bromine attached to carbon, what is that? Alpha. This is beta. This is beta. How many beta hydrogens are, beta carbons are there? 2. Beta carbon hydrogens are beta hydrogen. Beta carbon hydrogens are beta hydrogen. Now, already I told you for E2 elimination both are opposite required. This is which direction? Front. Dark line mean near to the observer. Dotted line mean away to the observer. This is dark mean hydrogen should be which one required? Dotted required. Then only opposite. So this is dark is there, but here which is there? Dark is there means same side. Here dark is there, but here dark is there. Both are same, but deuterium is opposite is there. So deuterium and bromine loss in this reaction. So in this product which is do not having the deuterium, that is the answer. Here deuterium is there. Here deuterium is there. Here not there. Here deuterium is. So directly answer is which one? B. So because here deuterium loss. Clear this concept? Next, this is also MEOK. Here what is that? MEO no? CS3 mean what is that? Methyl. Here they wrote in the form of ion only. If you write here K, MEOK only this is. Same thing. Here heat symbol. Generally elimination takes place in presence of high temperature. Sometimes they will mention, sometimes they will not mention. You have to understand this. So always elimination. Now in this room you are there. Some heat is there, then not only you will out only. No? So always elimination reaction takes place in some temperature required. So here heat symbol here. Clear? This is and this is same reaction. So elimination, which elimination this is? E2 elimination. They are not again, we have to understand. Okay? So E2 elimination means leaving group and beta hydrogen opposite required. Now this is the leaving group. Halogens are generally leaving group. So this is leaving group. Carbon valence how much? 4. 1, 2, 3 mean here what is there? Hydrogen is there. Clear this is? And keep in mind E2 elimination reaction is single step reaction. No rearrangement. If you want note down that. E2 reaction is single step reaction. No rearrangement. If you see in your notebook some rearrangement reaction also I given. Okay. First carbocation form. If primary carbocation form, then what we are doing for secondary, because if secondary is more stable, secondary form, then we are going for tertiary. But here no rearrangement. That is very important. Okay. This is which one? Leaving group. Leaving group carbon is which one? Alpha. Next carbon is which one? Beta. This is alpha mean this is which one? Beta. Clear this is? Okay. Now how many beta hydrogens are there? 2. Here also beta hydrogen is because carbon valency 4 mean 1, 2, 3 mean another which one? Hydrogen. So here what is there? Beta hydrogen. 2 are there now. Carbon valency 4 mean 1, 2 mean remaining how many are there? 2. So here also hydrogen is there. Here also hydrogen. Which hydrogen last? Up hydrogen or down hydrogen? Now here this is dark line mean hydrogen should be present in which direction? Dotted, because it is tetrahedral. See, these are in plane, this is in plane. Normal line mean plane. This is up. Okay, up mean what is that? 1, 2, 3. So this is front mean this is which one? Back. Okay, so this is front is there mean another should be back. So this is dotted line hydrogen. We have to think they are not given, but we have to assume that one front is there, another should be dotted. Then here one hydrogen is dotted mean another one which one? Dark. They are not given, but we have to assume that 2 hydrogens are there. These 2 lines are normal mean remaining are one dotted, one is dark. So here also opposite mean E to E reaction mean opposite required. Chlorine dark, hydrogen dotted. Chlorine dark, hydrogen dotted. So which hydrogen lost? Up dotted or down dotted? Up also is there. Up also is there. See, if here loss and this loss, then double bond here form. If loss here, then double bond here form. Then formed alkene should be followed which one? Sergev rule. Yes or no? Sergev rule mean what is that? More substituted alkene is a measure. So according to this, if this hydrogen is lost, then this is the product B. Then how many substituents are there? 1. This is on this 2. How many substituents are there? 2 are there. Clear this is? If here loss, then which is product? C is the product, because at this position double bond form. C. Now observe here, this is a double bond alkene. Then here how many? That is called hyperconjugation. Based on number of alpha hydrogen. Number of alpha hydrogen increases, their stability also increases. How many hydrogens are there here? 2. So 2 alpha hydrogen. Here how many are there? 2 alpha hydrogen. Here how many are there? At this position. At this position. 1. 1 alpha. Total how many alpha? 2, 2, 1. 5. At this one, how many alpha? 1 alpha. At this one, how many alpha? 1 alpha. So 1 alpha, 1 alpha, 2 alpha. Number of alpha hydrogen increase, stability increase. Otherwise, more substitute alkene major. So which is major? C option is major. Got the point? So like this, these are very important questions. These are present in first year also, second year also. Next, trans-but-2-ene can be formed by, what is the product we want? Trans-but-2-ene. Carefully observe here, the given is trans-but-2-ene we want. This is trans-2-butene, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here hydrogen and here hydrogen. Hydrogen opposite, methyl opposite. Trans. Heating butane 1-ol. What is the butane 1-ol? 1, 2, 3, 4 OH. CH2, 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 CH3. This is butane 1-ol. Then elimination with the H2SO4. Now only we discuss here. See? H2SO4. Heat. Then generally this is E1 reaction. E1 reaction takes place in 2 steps. E2 reaction takes place in 1 step. So here this E1 mean more than 1 step. This is more than 1 step in generally 2 steps. This is. And here rearrangement takes place. E1 mean rearrangement takes place. So now if it is eliminate like this OH, because here H plus is that this H plus and OH minus H2O loss, then what is formed here? CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 plus. This is primary carbocation. Primary carbocation more stable or secondary carbocation more stable? Secondary. Then we are trying for secondary carbocation if it is possible. Otherwise leave it. Then here this hydrogen shifted to here. Hydrogen shifted to here. Then what happened? We will get CH3, CH2, CH plus CH3. Clear? If it is shift here again, this is also secondary carbocation. So anyway secondary carbon, no need to rearrange. So one rearrangement takes place here. Primary carbocation to secondary carbocation rearrangement takes place. Clear this is? Now beta, this is a alpha mean, this is beta, this is also beta hydrogen. How many hydrogens are there? Beta hydrogen here 3. Here how many are there? 2. Which side beta hydrogen lasts? Left side or right side? Always what you have to follow, that more substituted alkene is a major, that is according to Sergev rule. If here lasts, then here double bond form. Then how many substituents are there? 1, because this is only substituent that time. If here lasts double bond form here, then how many substituents? 2. Then this alkene is CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH. This is alkene form. But which alkene major? Here two possibilities are there. This hydrogen may be same side. This hydrogen may be opposite side. Then opposite side major or same side major? Opposite, that is trans. So first one only giving answer, therefore first one only correct. No need to see the next. Next, on treatment with NBS in CCl4. NBS means, note down, N-bromosuccinamide. 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 It will come in second year in haloalkane chapter. So that extra part here given. So N-bromosuccinamide reagent is there, means that will be bromine substitute at allyl position or benzyl position. In these two only, keep in mind. N-bromosuccinamide reagent is there, means bromine substitute which position? Allylic position or benzylic. Allylic is there, mean allylic. Benzylic is there, mean benzylic position. Now you know that what is allylic. Now this is double bond CH2, this CH, next carbon is allylic. You may be seen, this is CH2 double bond CH, CH2. This carbon is, this starred carbon is which one? Allylic. Keep in mind, CH2 double bond CH, next carbon is which one? Allylic. Now it is there or not? Carbon valency how much? 4. Then here nothing but they have given bond line, mean what is that? This is CH2. Then here what is that? CH. So this is allylic, this is allylic. Clear? This is very clear. Then here, when hydrogen is replaced, generally it is free radical mechanism. Here one hydrogen, how many hydrogens are there? 2. Here how many hydrogens are there? 2. Clear? So if this hydrogen is lost, then here what is that? Free radical. Then this will be shift here, then this will rearrange and gives resonance, and we will get here double bond and CH2 dots. Like this also we will get, because this bond will come here double bond form, and here will be free radical, because it is homolytic cleavage takes place here. Okay, so here bromine may substitute or here bromine may substitute, because these two are in resonance structures. Resonance structures are which one? Contributing structures. Already you know that very well. So two possibilities are there. This is and this is same type is there. That's why I am not represented here. If you substitute bromine here or here, meaning same, because double bond next carbon, this is double bond next carbon, this is, both are equivalent is there. That's why anywhere substitute meaning same. So possibility where this is or this is same. Another possibility this is. Two possibilities are there. So one possibility is this one. Already whatever I shown here at this position or this position same. One possibility, this is not, because double bond is there here. Another one, here double bond not there here. So that is not. Another possibility like this. Correct? But formed alkene should be which one required? More substituted alkene is a major. Now option A correct or D correct? If you see here, next substituent not there. Then here substituent how many hydrogen? 2. Here how many? 1. 2 plus 1. If you see here, next carbon how many hydrogen? 2. Here how many? Here how many? 2, 2, 2. Then which is major? Then D correct. Got the point? But generally student they will answer first one only, because they know that if NBS is present, allylic position or benzylic position bromine substitute. This is correct, is that allylic position? Correct answer. But they asked major product. Major product. So here resonance takes place. This is the correct answer. Next, decreasing order of reactivity towards electrophilic addition with HCl. Molecule PQR given. Electrophilic addition mean what is the Markovnikov rule followed here? HCl is there, meaning HCl or HBr is there, mean which rule followed? Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule mean what is the negative part of the region bonded to where? Less number of hydrogen carbon. Yes or no? Here how many hydrogens are there? 2. Here how many are there? 1. All are same is there like this. Here 2, here 1, here 2, here 1, here 2, here 1 is there. Clear? But if it is shift like this, then what happened? Here carbocation form, here carbocation form, here carbocation form. According to Markovnikov rule, the formed carbocation should be which one required? More stable required. Primary is there, means secondary we are converting, mean that is secondary is more stable. Secondary is there, mean we are converting into which one? Tertiary. Tertiary is more stable. So we are not now going to rearrangement, just we are checking the stable carbocation. When you will get the stable carbocation, this is positive charge, donor atom required or withdrawing atom required to stabilize the carbocation. This is what is that? Positive charge. Any positive or negatively charged species are unstable. Then what you have to do? Magnitude decrease. To decrease the magnitude, what you have to do? Take the electron or give the electron. Take mean again more positive. Because when you are taking electron, when you have positive charge, what happened? Increase. So this is not. Then which is required? Giving electron. Because electron charge negative. Here what is there? Positive. Negative, positive going to be neutralized. That's why donor groups are required. CH3 donor group, OCH3 donor group, NH is donor group. So which is more donor mean? NH is more donor. That order I given in the inductive effect and resonance effect. So this is more donor, this is next. So the R will be more stable. It means more reactive. Then which is answer? C. Next, this is. So now only we discuss the Markovnikov rule. This is. Again here is there. This is what is the alkene is there? Double bond. Double bond is there. Next here HCl. In presence of peroxide, here peroxide not there. This is called in absence of peroxide. Here peroxide is there, here peroxide not there. Mean how to read this is in presence of peroxide, in absence of peroxide. Peroxide is there, mean anti-Markovnikov rule. Peroxide not there, mean Markovnikov rule. Got the point? So if you observe the product in your notebook, Markovnikov rule product, what is that? Negative part of the region bonded where less number of hydrogen carbon. Anti-Markovnikov product, what is that? Negative part of the region bonded to more number of hydrogen carbon. That you know very well. Then that both Markovnikov and anti-Markovnikov mechanism depends on which one? Their stability. Carbocation formed mean that should be more stable required. And this peroxide is there mean free radical mechanism, that free radical also more stable required. Any one mechanism is based on the stability only. So both formed should be more stable intermediate required. Then see here how many hydrogens are there? 1. Here how many are there? 1. The negative part of the region bonded to left side or right side? Then you will tell any one side because both are having the same number of hydrogen. But already I told you that stability of carbocation or free radical, benzylic is more stable. Next allylic, next tertiary, next secondary, next primary. That order I given maybe in the hyperconjugation. So, and which is more stable? This is C6H5, meaning what is that? Like this. This is CH, CH, CH. If it is formed like this, then here what is that? Carbocation. Which carbocation this is? After benzene, next carbon is there, what you call? Benzyl carbocation. If it is homolytic cleavage takes place like this, then here which one? Instead of plus, we will get which one? Dot. That is called free radical. So that is benzylic free radical. Anyway, benzylic free radical, benzyl carbocation is more stable. That is Markovnikov rule or anti-Markovnikov rule. Negative part of the region bonded to which one? This carbon only. Okay. So here A and B products are. So negative part of the region mean what is the negative part of the region? H plus Cl minus. So Cl minus in this reaction or in this reaction bonded to which position? This position only. Then here what will bond? H, because it is depends on stability. Now select which option correct. Here what is the next carbon? Here Cl bonded. Here bonded. Wrong. Both should be bonded to which one? This carbon only. Benzene next carbon only Cl bonded. Markovnikov or anti-Markovnikov. So anyway first option wrong. Here bonded. Next one, next bonded. So this is wrong because both product should be same. Next, bonded, then here bonded, then option will be C, correct. Clear? So it carbocation and stability both are, benzyl free radical is and carbocation is more stable. If you want, note down, benzyl free radical and benzyl carbocation is more stable, that's why both are same product. But student, what they will think, Markovnikov, anti-Markovnikov products are different, that's why you may choose, if peroxide means this and this is what mean anti-Markovnikov, this is Markovnikov, then answer you may choose A, but it's wrong, that is. It depends upon stability. Cis-butene. Cis-butene mean like this. This cis can be converted to racemic mixture. Racemic mixture, you in the previous class I told you that. Racemic mixture meaning what is that? 1:1 ratio of enantiomer. Enantiomer having which one? Chiral carbon. Got the point? So now addition of bromine. Keep in mind, bromine addition always, if in the question cis given mean consider, but generally cis not mentioned mean you have to think always trans. This is you have to think compulsory in this manner only. Addition of bromine always takes place in which manner? Trans. Which is this is cis. Then like this one shortcut may be given in your class, CAT, cat. Remember this? Cat mean what? Cis anti-addition gives the trio. Cis anti-addition gives the trio product. Then this will be called CH3. This is CH3. CH3 completed. Now we are adding bromine. Double bond out, then we are adding bromine. Trio mean what is that? Bromines are opposite side. Trio mean what is that? Bromines are opposite side. One like this formed mean bromine, H, CH3, CH3, H. This is I wrote same. Another one, what is the possibility? CH3, sorry, here bromine. Here H, here Br, here Br, here H, here C. How these are mirror image to each other? These are mirror image to each other. Pick up and place on the first one, not superimposable. Then these are which one? Enantiomer. Enantiomer 1:1 ratio, what do you call? Racemic mixture. So with this first one possible. But here option what is there? Sorry, I have to write D. This is both A and C given, you have to check C also. Anyway, B not. Got the point? Then C check. Oxidation with the osmium tetroxide. This is in your syllabus not there, but this is there. Oxidation with cold dilute KMnO4 mean Bayer's reagent. That word also I given. Bayer's reagent mean what is that? Cold dilute KMnO4, that is called Bayer's reagent. This is gives a cis product. This is gives a cis product. Then this is also gives a cis product. This you don't know, but I am telling now. This is also gives a cis product. How? This is double bond and this KMnO4 gives mean like this. Cis mean what is that? Both are same side. Both are same side. Now consider this is a cis product. It having the plane of symmetry. Plane of symmetry or center of symmetry is that mean that molecule is achiral, not chiral. So this is called meso compound. Meso compound. Chiral carbon is present but having plane of symmetry, that is called meso. Meso is optically inactive. Okay, so it is meso but not racemic mixture. So this product and this product is same. Therefore, this is not answer. Then which option? A. Okay. Now, ozonolysis, very important question in first year also, second year also. Now, ozonolysis meaning what is that? Where double bond is there. Break that. For example, like this given. This is only considered. This is given. Break this double bond, add O. That is the answer. Double bond remove, break, not remove. Break, add O both sides. Then what you have to do? Break this side O, this side O. Break this side O, this side O. Clear? Now how many carbon total? 6 carbon. Then this breakdown mean 1, 2, 3, 4. Again break is there. 4 carbon. This side also double bond O, this side also double bond O. Like this, which option is there? Select. Double bond O, carbon. Next carbon, carbon, C double bond. Is there or not? Next carbon, carbon is there? Carbon, carbon. double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. Both are formed. Then answer which one? C. Clear? Then remaining only 2-3 questions are left, that also I want to discuss. Next question, which gives 5-oxohexane 1-Al is not OL, Al, aldehyde on ozonolysis. So these are the alkene. Then how to find out the product? First you write this product. What is the given? Hex mean how many carbon? 6. So 6 mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear this is? Aldehyde mean this is aldehyde. Al mean aldehyde. Which position? Oxo? 5th position. Oxo mean what is that? Keto. Oxo mean keto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This position double bond. Clear? If it is straight chain you will not understand. Same thing I want to write like this. Methyl, methyl, C double bond O, CH2, 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 CH2. Next what is that? Like this. Clear? Then if you want to write alkene, remove the oxygen, then put like this. This is alkene. To get this one, just break down left to right, double bond. Okay? If like this given, you can get the alkene. If alkene given, you can get the aldehyde or ketone. Then which option correct? C option. Clear? Next, which gives only acetone on ozonolysis. Only acetone. Now you check it. Here double bond is there. Break left right. Then what is this? CH3. C double bond O. This acetone? No. This is acetone. CH3 C double bond O CH3. But we are not getting here only acetone. This is also we are getting. No? We want only. What the point? D. Because here O. Then you will get the answer D. So this is answer. Clear? With this alkene chapter maximum concept I covered in the form of question. So practice remaining also. This is the alkene concept.